CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Constructions. In this session, we cover to construct an angle of 45 degree. To construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray. Steps. Let us draw a ray OA with initial point O. With O as center and some radius, draw an arc of a circle intersecting OA at B. Now, with B as center and same radius, draw an arc which meets at point C at the semicircle. Join OC and draw a line. Let it be an arm of the angle. Here is the diagram. Now, with C as center and with same radius, draw an arc on the semicircle drawn. Let it be D. Join OD and draw the line. This is the diagram given here. Now, by taking C and D as centers and radius more than half of CD, draw arcs to intersect each other, say at G. Draw the line OG. Now, OG is the bisector of angle FOE. Angle FOG equal half of angle FOE equal half into 60 degree, that is 30 degree. Angle GOA equal angle AOE plus angle EOG. Also, angle FOG equal angle EOG equal 30 degree. Angle GOA equal 60 degree plus 30 degree, which is 90 degree. So, angle AOG equal angle GOA equal 90 degree. Now, find the bisector of angle GOA, which is half of 90 degree, that is 45 degree. Angle GOE equal 60 by 2 equal 30 degree. Angle GOA equal angle GOE plus angle EOA, 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is 90 degree. And take the bisector of or find the bisector of angle 90 degree, which is 45 degree. Thank you.